Everyone. My name is Kimaya Gawle. My school name is KC Gandhi English School. I am in 5th standard. Respected to all the teacher and student, I am very excited and thankful to get a chance to share few words about the importance of Indian Constitution. Our Constitution Day is celebrated every year on 26 November to honor the adoption of the Constitution of India. It is also called as National Law Day. This day is also celebrated to pay tribute to Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who was the first law minister of India. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. Constitution determines the basic principle and laws of nation. The Constituent Assembly of India group of members elected to write the Constitution of the independent India. The Indian Constitution was drafted by 299 delegates from different castes, religion, regions, and genders, etc. These delegates took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to prepare the dot constitution. It is one of the biggest constitution that look the essence from the America, British, and Japanese constitution. The Constitution of India is one of the lengthiest constitutions in the world, which contains a preamble 22 parts with 448 articles, 12 schedules, 5 appendices, and 15 amendments. It is the only constitution in the whole world that was handwritten and completely in two languages, Hindi, English. You know our constitution offers and grants six fundamental rights. First, right to equality. Second, right to freedom. Third, right against exploitation. Fourth, right to freedom of religion. Fifth, right to education. Sixth, right to constitutional remedies. Thank you.